Today, in our series of process intelligence videos, we're looking at digital enablement. And to do that, we're out at CRM. Our focus today is on a suite of apps that have become known as BlueQ. Really, the purpose of these apps is to collect data and let us know what's going on site.
What we do here, we're part of the logistics team and warehousing. We store all the cores that are getting manufactured through from Spring Hill. We also store structural beams. We distributed them via truck mainly, load rail wagons, full coil as well as verticals as well as beams, and they go interstate.
BlueQ is an app that we use. So when the drivers enter their details into the driver's app, it'll read the docket and then it'll tell us what coils they're picking up, which will then allow the driver to position their load. If they've got a B double, they can select how many spaces they've got on their A trailer and B trailer and load it accordingly, and then that'll get filtered through to the forklift driver, who then can just go and pick the coils and they know exactly where they want them. So it allows the truck driver to get loaded more efficiently. It also tells us what time they came in on site, how long it took to get loaded. They can add comments, the forklift drivers can add comments if the coil came with any damage, or if there's a specific reason that it took a while to load. From a safety aspect, the secondary load restraint app that's been added into BlueQ is good.
When they load the trucks for pickup, I go through and take photos of once the truck drivers have restrained their load, just to make sure that it's done correctly.
It's like a double check that the coils have been restrained correctly, and if we do have any kind of instance, it then allows me to go into the secondary load restraint app and I can check the photos and that they do have coils, or no, this coil, it wasn't damaged when it left site.
So once they've loaded the truck, it will come up on my tablet saying it's been loaded, and I'll go into the load checking app on the BlueQ. And then once I open it up, it should show whether they've got coils on the top hats and how many they've got. And it show their numbers they've got. I'll go up, check reference to make sure that the correct coil is on the truck. And then once it's restrained, I then will take a photo of the restraints, because I want to see that the restraints are done correctly. And then I'll go and circle each chain and then click that it's been checked. And once I've done that for all the coils, I then go and tick saying that I've checked all the coils, and then it'll come up saying it's green, being checked correctly. And then they should be free to go once they've done their checks.
The information that we can access helps us a lot with what's been captured, and it helps the drivers as well.
Even though the truck drivers take photos themselves, this gives an extra safeguard that BlueScope know that the load has been restrained properly. They can see that it's actually a benefit for them as well, because it's extra evidence saying that they're doing their job correctly too.
With BlueQ, we're able to do the walk the floor and crane pre-starts on the actual app itself. And with that, we can pull the data, the supervisors, we can go into and just check, do an audit and make sure everything's been done on those pre-starts on those cranes. If there's any issues, we were able to pick that up from that. Through the success of BlueQ here at CRM Port Kembla, it's now been implemented at Chilora, Spring Hill and the plate dispatch.